Road trip number 5. Nandito tayo sa lechong baboy ni Mark. Wow, papunta tayo ng Tanay. Isang kilo muna.
Hi guys! We're here again on the road to Tanay. We're on road trip number
5.
5. Ang ganda ng weather.
Last day na ng January.
It's the last day of January. Last day of January? Ay, oo nga! Yeah, last day na.
Hello! Welcome to road trip number 5.
Yay!
Masaya ka siya dyan.
Picture daw, Jackie.
Step by step, I climb so high, touching the clouds, reaching the sky, lost in the silence, wild and free. The mountains are calling, calling to me. Step by step, I climb so high, touching the clouds, reaching the sky, lost in the silence, wild and free. The mountains are calling, calling to me.
Hello! And now, we're done for the road trip number 5. Let's go home na!
Grabe naman, Tommy. Napakadami mo namang pinapakain sa amin.
Siyempre, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Dadamay ka.
Ayan, oh.
Step by step,
Lagyan natin ng
Meron.
dried cranberries. Ay, sorry.
touching the
Iyan ang panalo dyan, eh. Oh. Yan.
Ayun, ito.
Ang tawag, kiwi.
Kipay.
Ah,
Kipay.
kiwi.
Kipay.
Kipis. 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 Tsaka ng pecans. Lagyan natin ng pecans. Alin? Hindi. Tinambak niya muna kasi wala namang bibili pa. Bakit? Ayun dyan.
Porsale.
Yun na. Bakit?
For
Nasaan
sale.
ba siya? Ano?
For sale na rin.
Umalis na rin siya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
day, Aki. Yay! Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. How old are you? 23. Okay.
Doon na, kain na po.